Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Line Colors. I am back with my beautiful mom, and today we are looking at reds. So if you have salt and pepper hair and you want to know what your best red is, you will want to watch this video. Okay, so let's start. And this is part of the draping process that I do when you have a color analysis with me. This one is a warm, bright red. And while I do like the brightness, it's just a little too warm for her. Meaning it has a little too much gold in it. When I'm looking at what's happening in her face, I'm just not seeing anything good. The jawline is dropping. I'm just noticing imperfections more, ones that I should not, okay? So if I go to the next one, again, this is a little too warm and muted. This would be great if you, let's say, had red hair, which you don't. Salt and pepper hair is very, very cool. So a tomato red will not work for you. It is much too warm. There's too much orange in it. So if you're watching and you have salt and pepper hair, your best reds are going to be a bit more of the true red or a blue red. So this is more of a true red. It has a lot more blue in it. It is closer to, let's say, a cherry red than a tomato red. So any reds that you have will have more blue in them. And still, we could do better. I think we would have to, if we want to improve this even more for somebody with salt and pepper hair, if more blue was in this, but it still had the brightness, that would be perfect, okay? So we want you to come back and join us for more color analysis for salt and pepper hair. We will be back next time with greens. In the meantime, make sure to like, subscribe, share. If you want to find out about my next online class, just put list in the comments and I will add you to the list. All right, bye.